Hey, what's up YouTube? Check it out. Got my 2000 Chevy Silverado. I'm gonna show you guys a little something real quick. I gotta change my cabin air filters. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do that. I already got everything taken off. So basically, you have the pan here, a little cover that goes down on the bottom. You got four 7mm screws right on the bottom here. So go ahead and take all those out. You got a couple on the bottom side over to the left. Take those out, remove this. When you get down here, you're gonna have a small this is a 5.5 millimeter screw that goes right on the bottom here. When you take it off, you're gonna have this little clip here. That's gonna be on there with your 7mm screw right in there. Go ahead and remove this, pull that down. Your cabin air filters are gonna be right in there. There's gonna be two of them. So I already replaced them. You got one tucked back in there. You can see the white line from the filter. I'm going to go ahead and put the other one, just slip it right in there. It's gonna be kind of hard doing this one hand recording, but let's see if we get it done. Go ahead and slip it in there. Push it all the way up. Get it all the way up in there. And then just go ahead and this goes this way. So you got the little clip there. Put that little clip right in there. Push it back on. Oh, air filter's not off. Oh, there you go. So clip that back on. So you can put your little 5.5mm screw back right in there. Put your cover back over, cover back over, put your screws back in there, all your 7mm screws back on, and that'll be how to change your cabin air filters. Pretty simple. This is what my problem was: bad airflow. My defroster wasn't working basically at all. I had very poor vent flow coming out of my dash, and this was my problem. So make sure you guys are getting those changed out. It's always good to do it yourself. That way you know they're getting changed out. Taking it to a auto repair shop, you think they're taking care of these for you, they might not be. So get them done, get your air working right. So thanks for checking out my video.